twice the life of standard incandescent bulbs. Best value. Original equipment quality seal for the most reliable performance. Always replace in pairs to ensure a symmetric light beam from both bulbs on the road. Bulbs dim over time. Miniature bulbs by Philips. For over 100 years we have been continuously innovating automotive lighting. When installing a new bulb, never touch the glass. Either use gloves or paper towel when handling. Philips LongerLife replacement mini bulbs are for drivers who want the best value for their money. Thanks to their filament design and gas fill mixture, these LongerLife miniature bulbs last longer than standard incandescent miniature bulbs. Top reviews from the United States. Disappointed. I purchased this bulb in 2019, placed it in the car and it's already blown out. Yes, I know, 2 years later, but the bulb before that one lasted longer than 2 years.